Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Paper Pumpkin alternative video on my YouTube channel and blog. If you're new to my channel, I want to say hi. This video will share alternative projects to stretch your paper pumpkin supplies. If you don't know what paper pumpkin is, click the link in the description box below and check it out. So come along with me as I attempt to create out of the box. Well, hello friends. Here we are with card number 3 of the July Paper Pumpkin kit called Painted Petals. Stick around to the end of the video where I show you lots of other samples that I created with this kit. But for this one, I am cutting these little 3M strips in half. They came with the kit, and this is one of the card fronts or like focus pieces, and that's what I did with them. I'm only going to show you one because it was boring and it takes a long time to do, but I took those little strips and I adhered them to the rectangle, and then I put that aside because I needed to put some adhesive on this white piece. This is 2 3/8 by 3 5/8. The card is 2.5 by 3 3/4. So I used tear tape on the back of that, and that is peach pie. Or no, is it? It's crushed curry. I can't remember what I used. I'm so sorry. I'm pretty sure it is. It's one of the colors that is in the kit. How's that? Anyway, I put tear tape on the top and bottom. Now I'm using gray granite to do the sentiment, stamp the sentiment. And as you can see, there up in the top left corner, there is an acetate sheet or a window sheet, and that is going to be my card base. We're going to make a clear card. I don't think any time on this channel have I done this. So I put dimensionals between the sentiment, which says friends like you make life beautiful. Then I put this little strip on the put the dimensionals on the strip, and then I'm just going to put some more tear tape, or yeah, I think it was tear tape. So here's my clear window sheet. Now in order to get this just right, and so that you can see it, I ended up putting it on my grid mat. So I have a black grid mat because my camera goes crazy with my glass one, and all you would see is that ring light. So as you can see, filming with a window sheet is actually quite difficult. So you know, if you're going to make a comment in the comments, please applaud my photography skills, because the stills, let me tell you, it was acrobatic. Anyway, so I'm folding so this was regular 5.5 by 8.5 scored at 4 1/4, and you can score it on your trimmer. And basically I put the inside card on the inside and sort of wedged it in there, made sure everything was nice and straight, and then put another piece of tear tape on that strip and adhered that. So the reason why I didn't choose any other adhesive is because tear tape is very flat and thin, and I was able to burnish it just like I did those little mini 3M adhesives, and you can't see the adhesive from, or unless you really look hard, but you can't really see the adhesive. All right, I decorated it with the lovely little adhesive back sequins that are in the kit, and that is my third card. So I'll show you how it works. Basically, if you wanted to take a tissue, you can buff off your fingerprints, but super cute. And like I said, if you burnish the with your finger or with a tissue, the adhesive, you won't see much of it. It'll just sort of melt away. I mean, you know, you could hide it, but all right. So here are the stills for this card. And then I'm going to describe to you all the other cards I made. So there was quite a few people that were interested. I did say I made 26 cards, 62. Oh my gosh, that would be difficult. So anyway, yes, give me a thumbs up if you like these. So this was a shaker card that I made for a group that I'm in, and I actually made 2 examples. That's using the envelope and kind of a Polaroid snapshot kind of idea. And then basically I cut the card fronts or the card bases in half, and I trimmed them down so that they fit on cardstock. So I think this is Calypso Coral as the card. And then I just varied the sentiments. So that's Granny Green Apple as the card base in different fonts. This is Pretty in Pink. It worked really well with the pink ones. And of course, you know, I mixed up the adhesives, or sorry, the embellishments. So again, here is one of those die cuts. So I used the back side of the card front, or the card base, and cut it down and put it on just basic white card, and then mixed up the different sentiments. And then I broke out the envelopes, cut the envelopes in a little bit, added a black stripe there. Here's another black stripe, and had a little bit more fun roughing up the edges here, being a little bit mixed media like. And then my 3 cards for this, for the videos I created for you. So I didn't count, but I thought that was close to 26. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, subscribing, commenting, all the fun YouTubey things, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.